Hi guys, today's video is going to be really short. It's going to be a retainer update for you guys. I just cleaned these so they weren't so dirty. I really don't know what to say other than I'm still wearing my retainers. They still fit, and Millie is being noisy. They still fit. All is well with them. I wear them every night for at least 8 hours, usually a little more. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to say. The only thing that I really hate doing is cleaning them. They get gross fast, they stink. It's just part of the whole retainer life. I know that there is an actual cleaner for them. In fact, one of my subscribers, Tiffany, hey girl, recommended a cleaner for them, I believe off of Amazon, but honestly I keep forgetting about it, and I've been trying to cut down my spending, so it's kind of been like the last thing on my mind. But eventually I'll get a cleaner, like an official cleaner for them. As of right now, I just clean them with water and a soft bristle toothbrush and just let that be. When they get really gross, I just let them soak in vinegar, like the white distilled vinegar. Helps kill the bacteria and everything like that, and it's safe for the retainers. At least that's what it said online, so Google knows, right? If it's online, it must be true. I'm just going to pop these in so you guys can see how they're fitting still, and yeah. Millie, you gotta be quiet. That is what they look like with them in. They do give me a little bit of a lisp, but not too bad. I normally don't wear these around, like outside of the house. I normally wear them when I'm sleeping. Wow, my eyebrows are crazy today. Funny thing is, I really didn't even fill them in that much, but they are just looking like a full brow. That's it. That's all I really have to say. They've been keeping my teeth straight. I will always wear my retainers, and if any of them break or get disformed, then I'll go get new retainers. I fully 100% believe in wearing my retainers every single night because, I mean, there has been a couple of nights that I've forgotten to wear them, but then I just wear them during the day and for at least like 8 hours, so that way my teeth are still staying where they need to be. I didn't go through all of that pain of braces for my teeth to shift back to where they were, so yeah, I'm just gonna continue wearing my braces, no, wearing my retainers and hopefully keeping my teeth straight. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. You can also hit the bell. It will notify you when I post so you don't miss out on any videos. I post Mondays and Thursdays. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!